In today's video, we're going to talk about this tool right here. And I think many of you are going to really appreciate it. You're going to think, oh my goodness, I wish I had known about it sooner. And I got to tell you, me too. I wish that I had discovered this tool sooner. I thought, wow, if it works, oh, it's going to save me a whole lot of time. Well, I'm going to tell you what it is and how to use it coming up next. Now at the top of the video, I talked about this tool right here that looks like an orange powder puff. But what it is it's actually a brush. Now here's the thing, I told you I was going to tell you what it's for. There are those things around the house that don't get cleaned very often because it's such a hassle to clean them because you need a ladder. Sometimes not just a step ladder, but an extension ladder. And just face it, ladders are a real hassle. You know, sometimes if you're working from an extension ladder, you're cleaning windows, or you're doing the gutters or whatever, you got to have somebody hold that ladder for you because it gets a little sketchy, gets a little dangerous without somebody steadying that ladder at the bottom. And sometimes if we're cleaning windows or we're cleaning our siding or whatever we're cleaning, we not only have, ourselves to worry about, but we've got the bucket, the water, the rags, maybe a hose. Who knows, but we're carrying stuff up that ladder. And that's when it starts to get a little dangerous, right? So if you can stay on the ground to clean those items that you normally would need a step ladder or an extension ladder for, or that, you just said, hey, that's too much hassle, I'm just not gonna clean it, okay? This tool, this is one of many accessories that came with a kit, will help you address that. Now here's the thing. Maybe you've got a cathedral ceiling, maybe you've got a chandelier that's over steps that you couldn't even possibly put a ladder there even if you wanted to. Sometimes it's a ceiling fan where you've got to clean the fins of the ceiling fan. Well, I gotta tell you, this tool makes it really easy, especially if you have cathedral ceilings where you get cobwebs or maybe a few spider webs. I gotta tell you what I was faced with, okay? So this is what happened for me at the ugly house, and this was my problem that I just couldn't figure it out. The pool cage was filthy, nasty, dirty, and it was embarrassing, folks. I was embarrassed by it. It had dirt, it had grime, it had algae, and it had a lot of spider webs, and a lot of spiders were calling it home. And every time I looked at it, I thought, well, how am I going to take care of that? Because there's water in the pool. Okay, I was really considering taking an extension ladder and putting it in the water to climb up to the cage to clean it. And that was insane. But I couldn't figure out how else I was going to do it until I found this tool here. It comes with a lot of different accessories. This is for cobwebs, or in my case, spider webs, okay? And this right here, this accessory is a squeegee with a mop. It's for doing windows or siding. It makes very, very quick work of cleaning things that are out of reach. I needed something that, well, was gonna give me like a 25, 30 foot reach. And believe it or not, this tool does that. So why don't we just dive right into it and I'll show you exactly how I used it. Now the extension pole that comes in the kit, I gotta tell you, it is heavy duty and it extends 30 feet. Now the end is threaded, which makes it possible and easy for you to attach your accessories, like the duster, the squeegee, the ceiling fan cleaner. If you've got a ceiling fan that's out of your reach, maybe it's over stairs or a cathedral ceiling and you need to get the dust off of it, this is the tool that's gonna do it. And what I like about this thing is it bends. So if you need to clean the top of the blades, you can do that. Or you need to clean the bottom of the blades, you can do that as well. And you can do it all from the floor. Outside the house, it's also useful. It lets you stay on the ground while reaching up high. The pole extends out, and depending on what you're doing, you can attach different heads for scrubbing or for cleaning or dusting. Areas where dirt and pollen collect over time. When you've got a tool that can reach up there easily, those jobs suddenly become a lot more manageable. Now this is the tool that I'm going to be using for the pool enclosure. It's the flat wall tool, and I'm going to attach it to the extension pole. Now the attachments here, they pivot up and down, and also from side to side. The microfiber cleaning pad, it attaches just effortlessly to the tool. It's not going to come off because it's kind of like Velcro. So if you've got high spots around the house that always seem to just, well, be out of reach, a long reach cleaning tool like this can be a really practical tool to have. So instead of climbing a ladder to reach something, you can just extend the pole and work from the ground. And I really like working from the ground. I really can't believe how easy it has made cleaning the pool cage. I could not be happier. Once finished with the tools, you can take a garden hose and they easily clean while you hose them off. Or you can stick them in the washing machine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a link in the description below so you can check this tool out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time. I got to tell you, seejanedrill has a big announcement. I want to share it with you guys today. I want you to keep your eyes open for it. Now, what is it? It's something that many of you have been requesting for quite a while, and I decided to finally do it. It's the seejanedrill Homeowner Survival Guide. And I want to tell you, it is unlike any book you will ever see or read. So keep your eyes open. It's going to roll out in the next month or so, but I'm going to remind you of it.